Welcome back to DevOps Camp. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of downloading CentOS Stream 9, the latest release of the CentOS operating system. So, without a delay, let's get started. First, go to the CentOS official website at centos.org from your web browser. The link will be in the video description. Next, click on the download in the menu to direct to the downloads page. In the Downloads page, we can see that there are two distributions, namely CentOS Linux and CentOS Stream. We will be selecting CentOS Stream, as it's the latest version of CentOS, and it has the similar updates to the latest Red Hat Enterprise Linux version. But you can select either CentOS Linux or Stream. Installation process will be the same. Now, we will be selecting CentOS Stream version 9, and x86-64 architecture. Then, the downloading will begin. After the downloading is finished, you can either decide installing CentOS as your main operating system, or installing CentOS in Virtualbox as a VM. We will be installing CentOS in Oracle Virtualbox, as a virtual machine in the upcoming video. That concludes this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get latest updates of the channel and upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.